the floor doesn't light up. Oh, it does. Whoa. A very spooky interior. I also smell cigarette on the inside. Oh. Yeah, it's a very dark and spooky looking interior. And of course it is like very bad condition. 2,500. Let's go to 1. Yeah, it does look scary. What? The bumper is not full height. That's weird. I choose it, but then the light up at 7. Let's try it. No. Yeah, it's showing 7 for some reason. Now it's still 7. A spooky interior. I took another lift and it got this notice inside. Even though the lift is working. This is the second lift in the middle. Okay, what the hell? Okay, look at this. Why this one is being blocked? Okay, it also returned level 5 and 6. What the fuck? Cannot go. For some reason. What? Okay. Let's go to the other one. The last one on the right. And is it even working? No. Okay, now we are second floor. And now we try again. The button looks weird. What the heck? It doesn't work. Okay, third floor. Now we try again. Oh, what the heck? It doesn't work. Why? Okay, now we go to. That's weird. Yeah, I cannot press it. If it tells me level 5 and 6 cannot go. What? What the heck? What the heck? Okay, now we're on the most right leaf. And we're going to try level 5. Oh, it was. Surprisingly. Oh, it's a really bad condition. Wait, what? What? Something is not right. Oh shit. Hello? What the fuck? Is that level 5 now? What the heck? The lift just stopped and it's like not opening the door. What the heck? Shit. Okay, what the fuck? Is there something wrong with level 5? Okay, level 6 works. Yeah, don't open the door for some reason. Oh, you're missing a button. Okay, let's try this lift again. Oh, it works. Does it work? Actually works. Huh? Oh, it does. It's funny because level 2, 3, 4 is that you can't call the lift. What the heck? Yeah, level 1, 2, 3, 4 you can't even call this lift. Okay, so level 6 now. What? Hello? Okay, that's weird. It's going down on its own. What the fuck? The DVR is seriously in a bad condition. It's like something like some of the button is not working, or like some of the button is like haywire. And even the lift, the first one, the level 5 he doesn't want to open the door. This is like really like how the heck they even pass the inspection? Your cargo lift, the door isn't supposed to close that fast. It's not supposed to. Yeah, the lift is coming out again. Okay, let's see how fast it closes. Yeah, almost immediately. I can't press 4, I can't press 3, I can't press 2. I can press 5. Okay, it works. Yeah, okay. The middle leaf, remember that upon the inside you cannot press. Yeah. I'm not sure whether it's something to do with this. That's true, you go to level 6 on its own. Why? Oh, it works. Yeah, level 5 works. Very well, I didn't even call at level 6. I don't call it to level 6. Yeah, 4 doesn't work. But then the open button doesn't work. What? I need to go to a floor. Yeah, level 8 just now. Really terrible condition. What the fuck? Okay. One thing we're going to try is calling this lift to level 5 again. Let's see whether we will get stuck. Because calling this lift to level 5, for some reason the door won't open just now. Yeah, I almost thought I got stuck just now. Okay, let's go to 5. Let's see whether the same thing happens. Oh, it worked this time. Okay. Let's go back to 1.